Welcome to Unit Network.
The vault allows you to securely stake unit tokens and manage them alongside your favorite cryptocurrencies. This guide will give you a clear understanding of the vault and Unit Network, show you how to set up and manage your vaults with confidence.
Let's get started. What is a Vault and Unit Network application, and how do you make use of it? Part 1. Vault Concept and Unit Network. A vault is like a secure digital locker inside the Unit Network, where you lock unit coin in order to. Create a vault tied to your profile via a linked crypto address like BTC or ETH. Enable deposits. Anyone can send cryptocurrency to your linked address, and those funds flow directly into your vault. Back fund allocation with locked unit coin. The amount of unit coin you lock determines what tranche tier you fall into, and therefore how much your vault can receive. How it works step by step. Vault creation. You lock unit coin into the app. A vault is automatically created and linked to your chosen crypto address. Vault selection. Your vault is placed into a tranche based on how much unit coin you locked, for example, $100 until $1,000 tier. If there are multiple vaults in the same tranche, the system selects the one with the lowest risk for fund allocation. Risk is calculated by comparing how much unit coin you've locked to how much you've already received. Vault operations. When funds are deposited, your vault balance increases. For example, 1 ETH deposit equals 1 ETHU balance. To unlock your unit coin, you must burn the equivalent balance you've received, similar to repaying a loan. You can never receive more in assets than the value of the unit coin you locked, keeping everything fair and stable. In short, a vault in the Unit Network app is a secure, rule-based system that lets you lock unit coin, receive crypto deposits fairly and transparently, and unlock your unit coin again by balancing what you've received. It's like a smart financial locker, balancing security, fairness, and flexibility. Now that you understand the concept of what is a vault in Unit Network, we can proceed to part 2, how to create your vault. Vaults on Unit Network let you stake unit coins securely and manage them alongside your favorite cryptocurrencies. Here's how to set one up. Step 1. Access the Vault dashboard. From your wallet dashboard, go to Deposit, then open the Vault dashboard. Step 2. Choose your cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you'd like to create a vault for, such as ETH, BTC, or DOT, and open its vault. Step 3. Enter your trusted wallet address. Enter and confirm your trusted wallet address. This is the secure destination where deposits will flow. Step 4. Add unit coin to the vault. Next, choose how much unit coin to lock into your vault. Review the details and confirm your transaction. Step 5. Review your vault summary. Once complete, your vault dashboard updates automatically, showing your total unit coin locked and your transaction history. Step 6. Manage and top up your vaults. You can also create multiple vaults for different tokens. This gives you flexibility to diversify and manage your assets all in one place. With vaults, you have full control, transparency, and security right inside the Unit app.